Subscribe to Mighty Rishu channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications whenever I upload videos on my channel. Hello friends, welcome to Mighty Rishu channel. Today I have brought a new video in which I will give a review of Galaxy M31s. I will also tell some of its top features and I will also give its pricing information. So watch this video till end to know more about Galaxy M31s. If you are planning to buy a phone around 20,000, I will also tell you about other competitors of this phone. So let's start this video without wasting any more time. So guys, here's the box of Galaxy M31s and this is the phone. Look at the box of this phone. This is a 6GB RAM variant with 128GB storage. And the color of our handset is Mirage Black. And the price written over here is 22,999 rupees. But this is not original price. I will tell you the original price of this phone later in this video. Watch the video till end to know the pricing and other information related to this phone. Now, this is the charger of our phone. The charger is rated 25 watt super fast charging. And this is the Type-C port of our charger. And this is the data cable. Now, this is the Galaxy M31s. I have completed the setup of this phone after unboxing. So look at this phone. If we talk about its back panel is made up of polycarbonate. But the phone look very glossy. But this is not a glass, this is the polycarbonate. On the right side of the phone, there is a power lock unlock button and volume buttons. On the top, there is a secondary microphone. On the right, here is given a triple card slot. On the bottom side, there is a 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C port, primary mic and a speaker grill. And on the power button, there is a fingerprint sensor, which helps to unlock the phone more easier and quickly. See how fast is the fingerprint sensor working. If I talk about the display of Galaxy M31s, then the Galaxy M31s comes with a 6.5 inches Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a punch hole display at its center, and its refresh rate is 60Hz. It has a screen to body ratio of about 91%. The all-new Samsung Galaxy M31s comes with Android 10 out of box with a One UI Core 2.1, and the security patch level given in our handset is of 1st July 2020. And if I talk about its battery, then this phone has a massive battery of about 6000 mAh, which gives you a battery backup of around 2 days. This phone can be recharged quickly within 2 hours with a 25 watt super fast charger. This phone also supports reverse charging, which means that I can share my power with other phones. And moving forward to camera features, Galaxy M31 has a 64 megapixel quad rear camera setup, which has primary camera sensor of 64 megapixel. The next camera is ultra wide angle lens, which is 12 megapixel. And the third camera is 5 megapixel macro camera, and the last camera, which is a depth camera, is of 5 megapixel. This phone supports super steady mode with its back camera and can even record 4K videos with its back as well as front camera. Now if we talk about selfie camera, it has a single selfie camera of 32 megapixels, and the back camera is of Sony IMX682 sensor, which gives you a better picture and videos quality. This phone's camera has some other features such as night hyperlapse, single take with its front as well as back camera, and AR doodle or AR emoji. Now I am sharing some camera samples. So look at the pictures. How is the quality of these pictures? I have taken these pictures in multiple modes such as ultra wide modes, 64 megapixel mode, macro mode, depth mode and many more. So have a look of these pictures. Now if we talk about performance of this phone, then this phone comes with Exynos 9611 octa-core processor with CPU clock speed of about 2.3 GHz, and it has GPU of Mali MP3. This phone has a good processor, but Exynos 9611 is an old processor and slightly slower than MediaTek Helio G90T and a Snapdragon 720G. It can run games, but this phone is not recommended to gamers at all. Some frame drops can be seen while playing games, so this phone is not recommended to gamers. If we talk about some extra features of this phone, then the thickness of this phone is about 9.3 millimeters. Weight of this phone is about 202 grams, and aspect ratio is about 20:9, and a screen to body ratio is 91%. This phone can support dual VoLTE 4G, and Dolby Atmos through earphones is also supported in this phone. Now moving to sensors, this phone has all sensors from basic to advanced. This phone has a side fingerprint sensor and Face ID also works fast. There are two variants available for this phone. One is 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, and another is 8GB RAM with 128GB of storage. Now this phone also comes in two colors, which is Mirage Blue and Mirage Black. There are many competitors of this phone. Some of them are Realme 6 Pro, Realme 7 Pro, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, Poco X2, Galaxy M31 or many more. And lastly, if I talk about the price of this phone, then the price of 6GB RAM is 19,499 rupees, and the price of 8GB variant is 21,499 rupees. So friends, here the video ends. Thank you for watching. I will bring some new videos very soon. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and please share this video on social media. If you have any query or suggestion regarding this video, then please write in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe it to get connected with us. So thanks for watching. Meet you in our next video. Till then, bye bye.